Have you ever had a critical piece of tech just die on you right at the worst possible moment?
Oh, absolutely. The dreaded blue screen. Or worse, just black.
Exactly. Well, today we're looking at the very thing that's designed to prevent that kind of disaster, at least in a professional setting.
Right. We've got the spec sheets here for the Kramer PS-1DN standalone.
It sounds a little boring, I know. But our mission for this deep dive is to figure out why this, generic-looking metal box is maybe the most important part of an entire AV rack.
It really is. It's all about redundancy.
Yeah.
In the field, this is what stands between a huge live event and total awkward silence.
And we should specify what this is actually for. It's not just any battery backup. The documentation connects it exclusively to two models.
Yeah, the Kramer VS-3232DN and the VS-6464DN.
The heavyweights.
If you're running a 64-port modular matrix switcher, you are not messing around. That thing is the absolute backbone of your entire video distribution.
And because that backbone can't just be switched off, you can't just unplug it to fix something. Which I guess brings us to the hero feature in the specs.
The hot swappable part.
Yes. What does that actually mean in practice?
It's the killer feature, really.
Yeah.
It means if your main power supply decides to, smoke out in the middle of a CEO's keynote.
Which happens.
It happens. The system doesn't even blink. You just slide this PS-1DN unit in or out while the matrix is still fully live. Zero downtime.
So no reboot cycles, no waiting for screens to re-handshake with the source.
None of that. It just maintains continuity. And when you actually look at the unit, you can tell it's built for that kind of high-stakes world.
Oh, totally. I was looking at the physical specs. This thing weighs 2.6 kilograms.
It's got some heft to it.
It's substantial, and it's clearly designed to slot right into a professional rack. It takes up real estate.
Well, it has to. You don't want some flimsy plastic adapter powering a fully loaded 3232DN. You want proper thermal management, robust capacitors. You want something that feels like a brick.
The interface kind of reflects that, too. I love how simple it is. There are no screens, no menus to get lost in.
Just lights.
Yeah, just two LEDs, power and error. That's it.
And that is fantastic design for a crisis. When an alarm is blaring, you don't want to be navigating a UI. You want a big red light that says, replace me, or a green one that says, I've got this.
It cuts down the cognitive load when you're under pressure.
Exactly.
Okay, but reliability like that isn't cheap. I'm looking at the pricing sheet here.
Yeah, it's up there.
The MSRP is listed close to $1,700. The street price seems to be about $1,350.
Which is, if you think about it, the price of a really good laptop for just a power supply.
It stings a little. I did see a note about a 10% off discount code, but still. You're dropping over $1,000 on a backup plan.
But you have to reframe what you're buying. You're not paying for electricity.
Right.
You're paying for the Kramer factory warranty and, more importantly, the guaranteed uptime of that massive VS-6464DN switcher.
That makes sense. If you've already spent, tens of thousands on a fully populated matrix, this cost is just a rounding error compared to the cost of that system going dark.
It's an insurance policy.
Yeah.
In the world of systems engineering, the most expensive thing isn't the hardware itself. It's the downtime.
It really does put it all in perspective. We obsess over resolution and bandwidth and all these cool features, but none of it matters if the lights go out.
Which sort of raises a pretty interesting question, doesn't it?
Yeah.
For you listening.
Yeah, what's that?
If a single backup power unit, just the box that keeps the electrons moving, is worth well over $1,000, what does that say about the actual value of the signal it's protecting?
In this digital age, maybe uptime is the most expensive, invisible luxury we buy. Something to think about. Thanks for diving in with us.